Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NC EdCloud. Sign in to the NC Education Cloud system step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer, Chromebook, or mobile device. Check that your internet connection is stable before you continue. In the address bar, type the official NC EdCloud portal URL used by your school or district. Press enter and wait for the NC Education Cloud sign-in page to load completely. Look for the login area that shows the EdCloud sign-in options. If you see multiple sign-in choices, select the one labeled with your district or NC EdCloud. Click the username field so the cursor is active. Enter your NC EdCloud username exactly as provided, including any numbers or special formatting. Click the password field to move to the next box. Type your NC EdCloud password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If your device has caps lock on, turn it off to avoid password errors. If your browser offers to autofill, confirm the saved credentials are correct before submitting. Click the Sign In or Login button once and wait a few seconds. If a Verify It's You or multi-factor prompt appears, follow the on-screen instructions. If you are asked for a code, retrieve it from the approved method your school uses and enter it. If you are on a shared computer, do not select options like Remember Me or Stay Signed In. After signing in, confirm you are on the NC EdCloud dashboard or your application launch page. Find the app you need, such as Canvas, PowerSchool, SchoolNet, or Google Workspace. Click the app icon to open it using single sign-on. If the app does not open, allow pop-ups for the site in your browser settings. If you receive an invalid username or password message, retype both fields and try again. Use the Forgot Password or Password Reset link only if your district allows self-service resets. If self-service reset is not available, contact your school's IT help desk or media coordinator. If the page will not load, refresh the browser and try again. If problems continue, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen the sign-in page. Try an alternative browser like Chrome or Edge if your current browser keeps failing. On mobile, switch to a Wi-Fi connection or disable VPNs that may block school portals. When you are finished, log out of NC EdCloud, especially on public or shared devices. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more clear tech tutorials. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.